Most people think diesel is just diesel, isn't it? There are actually 3 grades of diesel sold in the US, and each one is built for a different kind of job. The wrong grade in winter can slowly turn your tank into a candle. Once you understand the difference, the winter problem makes a lot more sense. Diesel has to start a delivery truck on a cold Minnesota morning, keep a semi running across Texas in summer, and power ships and generators that run for weeks without stopping. The first one is number 1 diesel. It's the cold weather grade, lighter and more refined, with very little wax in it. And that detail is going to matter in a minute. Because of how it's made, it keeps flowing in temperatures where other fuels start to thicken up. Number 2 is the standard grade. It's what you'll find at most every diesel pump, and what most trucks on the road are running on. It carries more energy per gallon, so you get better fuel economy, and it actually lubricates the engine a little better too. The reason for that is paraffin wax, a small amount in there on purpose, coating the moving parts and keeping everything running smoothly. Number 4 is the heavy-duty grade, much thicker, burns more slowly, and it's really only used in very large, low-speed engines, ship engines, power plants, big industrial generators. You won't see it at regular stations, and it doesn't go into a normal truck. It's just useful to know it exists. Now back to that wax. Around 10 degrees Fahrenheit, the paraffin in number 2 starts to crystallize. The fuel thickens, and it can actually start to solidify inside the fuel lines and filters. That's the candle from earlier. That same wax that lubricates the engine in warm weather is what can leave you stranded in the cold. It's not really a flaw, it's a trade-off built into how number 2 is made. The standard fix is a winterized blend. Mixing some number 1 into number 2, you keep most of the energy and lubrication, but the lighter fuel thins things out enough that the wax can't crystallize. Most suppliers in cold regions switch over automatically once the weather turns. So the short version, cold climate, you want number 1 or a winter blend. Everyday driving, number 2 is fine. Heavy industrial use, that's number 4. It's less about which one is best and more about matching the fuel to the engine, the workload, and the weather. If you'd rather not think about any of this, that's what we do here at Fuel Logic. The right grade in the right blend delivered straight to your fleet.